Hold your hand with your palm facing you. You'll see a start icon appear over your inner wrist. Tap this icon using your other hand. The start menu will open where you're looking at. remAid might already be pinned on your HoloLens start menu. In that case, just click on the remAid logo, as you would click on a real button. On the right-hand side of the menu, you can find the button All Apps. Now you can see all the apps that are installed on the HoloLens. Look for the remAid logo and click on it. The app will now start. In case you are not connected to the Wi-Fi yet, you can do that in remAid. Just switch to the Wi-Fi submenu in the main menu. You can choose your Wi-Fi from the list of available Wi-Fis. Scroll down in the list if you can't find your Wi-Fi immediately. Then press the password field. Type in your Wi-Fi password on the keyboard that will open up in front of you. You can click on the eye icon to show the letters. Press Connect when you're done. Currently, only Wi-Fis can be accessed, which are not additionally secured via a web page in the browser, like guest Wi-Fis. In case you need to connect to a Wi-Fi that is secured via a web browser with a username and password, you have to use the official HoloLens menu to connect to the Wi-Fi. After starting the app, the remAid main menu will appear in front of you. Please click the Open Room button in the Workspace submenu. Once you press the button, the remAid room code will appear. It is a 6-digit code consisting of numbers and letters. Please send that room code to your spectator using any medium of your choice, like text message, telephone, or email. The spectator now needs to navigate to app.remaid.io in order to type in the room code shown in the operator's hand menu in the Enter Room Code field. Proceed to click the Connect button. The spectator is now establishing a connection. In case your spectator is using it for the first time, the browser will ask to allow microphone access. Please allow this access, otherwise, the connection will fail. Once the connection is established, the spectator can see the operator's video stream.
Spectator has connected.
Now your remAid session will start. You can see that you are connected when the connection time and the connected icon with remAid logo are visible.